Afraid of getting stuck on Southeast Asian dirt roads, shaken up by rough African tracks. With rainy season is coming up, this truck is an ideal choice.
This 4x2 dump truck has a covered, which has 210 horsepower engine, 10-speed manual, power when you need it.
Worried about skidding in raining mud?
Steel suspension and 11 inches tires keep you steady on the roughest roads. Reinforced 13-ton truck axle to meet your cargo needs. Handles wood, grain, and more with ease.
Follow Yunnan 猛士 explore more practical truck models.